Hi, good morning students. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and we're going to work in unit number 7, that is cool and gadgets. Superlative adjectives. A superlative adjective expresses the extreme or highest degree of a quality. We use a superlative adjective to describe the extreme quality of one thing in a group of things. We can use superlative adjectives when talking about 3 or more things, not only 2. As an example, we have Jupiter is the biggest planet. How to make a superlative adjective. In short adjectives, we're going to add est. We usually add the before the adjective. In one-syllable adjectives, we add est, as I told you before, like old is the oldest, fast, the fastest. If the adjective ends in e, we just add st, like late, the latest. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel consonant, we double the last consonant and we add est, like in the example, big, the biggest. If the adjective ends in y, we change the y to I and we add est, like happy, the happiest. How to make a superlative adjective. In long adjectives, we use the word must. We usually add the before the adjective. One-syllable adjectives not ending in y, like modern, pleasant, we're going to add must. The most modern, the most pleasant. All adjectives of 3 or more syllables, like expensive and intellectual, they are going to be the most expensive, the most intellectual. Note, with some 2-syllable adjectives, we can use est or must, like in the examples. Quiet, the quietest, most quiet. Clever, the cleverest, or most clever. Note, the following adjectives have irregular forms and don't follow the rules. Good, the best. Bad, the worst. Far, the farthest, the furthest. Impact activity. Instructions. Answer pages 116 and 117 on your student book. Guys, if you have the book, complete this activity on the student book. Take a picture of them and add the picture to the worksheet file sent by the teacher. And if you don't have your book, you will find the necessary pages on the next slide. And you will have to copy the activities on the worksheet file sent by the teacher. When you're done, send the complete file to the platform on the delivery section. And here we have pages 116 and 117. On activity number 11 says, circle all the superlative you hear. For this activity, you're going to listen track number 95. On activity number 12, work in pairs. Complete the sentences with the superlative of the words in parentheses. Like in the first one, we have popular, easy, exciting, musical, good, and bad. Activity number 13. In this activity, you are going to talk about the best and worst video games. Why do you like them? And you're going to use superlatives. In number 14, learn new words. Listen to learn about some pretty unusual apps. Then listen and repeat. Guys, in this activity, you're going just to listen and that's it. For that activity, you're going to use track number 96 and 97. Activity number 15, work in pairs. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Then say whether you agree or disagree and why. For this activity, you're going to use the words that we have on the chart. Battery, camera, keyboard, microphone, and screen. Activity number 16. This is the last activity. Which apps are the most useful, most difficult, and most fun? Which are the least useful, the least difficult, and the least fun? Impact audios. First, you're going to go to this page. Then, you're going to click on the part that says Audio Student Book. Then, you're going to go to unit number 7. And you're going to choose the necessary tracks. For activity number 11, we're going to use track number 95. And activity number 14, we're going to use track number 96 and 97. Well guys, that's it. Take care. See you in a few weeks. Goodbye.